Hello dear students, in the last classes we discussed about reflection of light, and in the concept of reflection of light we discussed the reflection of light by plane mirror and also the reflection of light by spherical mirrors. Then in today's class we are going to discuss about the new concept, that is refraction of light. Refraction of light. Refraction of light. So in Kannada the refraction of light is called ಬೆಳಕಿನ ವಕ್ರೀಭವನ. So ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ refraction of light ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಬೆಳಕಿನ ವಕ್ರೀಭವನ. Then what is refraction of light? See here, this is the plane. This plane can separate two different optical media. For example, first optical medium I will take, that is air, and the second optical medium, that is water. And these two are the optical media, because through the air light can be passed and through the water also light can be passed. That is why these two are the two different optical media, and both are transparent media. Air ಮತ್ತೆ water ಏನು transparent medium. Okay, now suppose when a ray of light travels from one medium to another medium, for example air medium to water medium, then there is a change in path of light due to the change in speed of light. This is called refraction of light. See here, when a ray of light travels from one medium to another medium, so at the plane of separation of two different media, there is a change in path of light. The change in path of light is called refraction of light. So let us draw the normal at the point of incidence. What is the use of normal here? In order to find the angle of incidence. Now this is normal. So this ray is called incident ray. And when this ray enters the second medium, there is a change in its path from its original path. This is original path of the light ray, but when it enters the another medium, there is a change in its path due to the change in speed of light. And this ray is called, this bent ray is called refracted ray. Now the angle between the incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence, and the angle between the refracted ray and normal is called angle of refraction. Now let us define what is refraction of light. So when a ray of light travels from one medium to another medium, it bends. It means here the ray of light, it bends from its original path, at the plane of separation of two media. So there is a change in path of the light at the plane of the separation of how many media? Two media. So it bends from its original path at the plane of separation of two media due to the change in speed of light. When the light travels from one medium to another medium, there is a change in speed of light. Due to change in speed of light, so the light bends from its original path. This is the original path. So when it enters the another medium, there is a change in speed of light. That is why this light ray bends from its original path. Okay, so it bends from its original path at the plane of separation of two media due to change in speed of light. due to change in speed of light. Then this is called refraction of light. This is called refraction of light. This is called refraction of light. So once again listen here. When a ray of light travels from one medium to another medium, it bends from its original path. This is the original path of the light ray, and it bends from its original path at the plane of separation of two media. So this is the plane of separation of two media. So this is the plane of separation of two media. Supposed to be, I will take it is air and it is water, and it is called plane of separation of two media, because this plane can separate the two media. That is why it is called plane of separation of two media. It bends from its original path at the plane of separation of two media due to change in speed of light. So this is called refraction of light. Then what is the cause of refraction of light? So the cause of refraction is light is due to change in speed of light when it travels from one medium to another medium. So this is the definition of refraction of light. So next point, what is the cause of refraction of light? And the refraction of light ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನ್ರಿ? Cause of refraction of light. Cause of refraction of light. Now, what is the cause of refraction of light? See here, when the light travels from one medium to another medium, there is a change in speed of light. Due to that change in speed of light, so there is a bending of light from its original path. Then what is the cause? Cause is the change in speed of light. Cause of light one medium ಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ, ಲೈಟ್ದು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಟ್ದು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಲೈಟ್ ರೇ ತನ್ನ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಪಾತ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಲೈಟ್ ರೇ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಪಾತ್ನಿಂದ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ ನೀವು, ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನು ರೀ? ಸೊ ದಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್. ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್. Cause of refraction of light is due to the change in speed of light. Is due to the change in speed of light. So let us consider some cases here. When the light traveling from rarer medium to denser medium, what happens? And when the light traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, then what happens? See here, first of all we have to know what do you mean by rarer medium and what do you mean by denser medium. Optically rarer medium. Optically rarer medium. So what do you mean by optically rarer medium? In the given pair of media, so the medium in which the speed of light is more is called optically rarer medium. So in the given pair of media, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಎರಡು ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ದಾಗ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅಂಥ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ, ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ರೇರರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ, the medium in which the speed of light is more, is called optically rarer medium. Optically rarer medium. So what do you mean by optically rarer medium? Otherwise you can say it is a rarer medium. What is optically rarer medium? In the given pair of media, the medium in which the speed of light is more. ಯಾವ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಂಥ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ರೇರರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್? Optically denser medium, or it is called denser medium. Optically denser medium. Then what do you mean by optically denser medium? Again, in the given pair of media, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಮೀಡಿಯಾಗಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಯಾವ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಂಥ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ರೇರರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಅದೇ ಥರ ಯಾವ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು ಅಂಥ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್? ಇನ್ ದಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ, ಪೇರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು. In the given pair of media, the medium in which the speed of light is less, in which the speed of light is less, the speed of light is less, the speed of light is less. So is called, this medium is called optically denser medium, is called optically denser medium, optically denser medium. So once again listen here, what do you mean by optically rarer medium? In the given pair of media, the medium in which the speed of light is more is called optically rarer medium. Then what is optically denser medium? In the given pair of media, the medium in which the speed of light is less, the medium in which the speed of light is less is called optically denser medium. So let us consider an example, air and water. Air and water, how many media are there? Two media are there. Example, air and water, air and water. So in the air and water, which is rarer medium and which is denser medium? So in the air medium, the speed of light is more, and in the water medium, the speed of light is less. Hence air is rarer medium and water is denser medium. Air is rarer medium, air is rarer medium, and water is denser medium. Water is denser medium. ಅಂದರೆ ಏರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ರೀ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಏರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ರೀ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೇರರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಆಯಿತು, ವಾಟರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಮೆಜರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ what is air? Air is rarer and water is denser. So how many media given here? Two media given. These two are the given pair of media. And one more example, water and glass. Water and glass. In case of water and glass, water is rarer medium and glass is denser medium. Water is rarer medium and glass is denser medium. Glass is denser medium because in the water the speed of light is more compared to the glass. Means in the water the speed of light is more, but in the glass the speed of light is less. Means these two are the given pair of media. Okay, now so let us consider when the light travels from rarer to denser, what happens, or when the light travels from denser to rarer, what happens. See here, first case, when a ray of light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, For example, air medium to water. Now, what happens here? See here, air is rarer and water is denser, then it is air and it is water. So, from where to where the light is traveling? From rarer to denser, means from air to water. But another condition for the refraction of light is that the light should be incident on the surface obliquely. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಆಬ್ಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಓರೆಯಾಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ರೇ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ರೇ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರ್ ಟು ವೇರ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರೇರರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಟು ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್, means air to water. This is an example. At the point of incidence, we have to draw the normal, because to find the angle of incidence, this is angle of incidence. When the light traveling from rarer medium to denser medium, in the denser medium the speed of light decreases. Denser medium ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? light speed decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So due to decrease in speed of light, then the light ray bends towards the normal. Light ray ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕಡೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, now this is angle of incidence and this is angle of refraction. Okay, now what is the first case now? When a ray of light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, the refracted ray bends towards the normal due to decrease in speed of light in the which medium? Denser medium. Here air is rarer medium and water is denser medium, and the speed of light in the medium can be measured by the refractive index of the medium. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ದಾಗ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂತೇಳಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸ್, ವೆನ್ ಎ ರೇ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಟು ರೇರರ್, ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? ವೆನ್ ಎ ರೇ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಟು rarer medium, denser medium to rarer medium. Now this is the surface which can separate the two different media. Then here again I will take it is air medium and it is water. But what is the condition given here? But what is the case given here? The light travels from which medium to which medium? Denser medium to rarer medium, means the light travels from water to air, because water is denser and air is rarer. Then the light traveling from which medium to which medium? Denser to rarer. Then the light incident obliquely. Again at the point of incidence I will draw the normal. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ I. Then the light traveling from which medium to which medium? Denser to rarer. And in the rarer medium the speed of light increases, because in the rarer medium the speed of light is more. When the light traveling from denser to rarer, in the rarer medium the speed of light increases. That is why the light bends away from the normal. Okay, so once again listen here. When the light travels from rarer to denser, the light bends towards the normal. But when the ray of light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, then the light bends away from the normal because of increase in speed of light in which medium? In case of rarer medium. Okay, so these two are the cases related to the refraction of light when the light travels from rarer to denser and denser to rarer.